Hello SaaS founders, your ads are probably not broken because of the design or the targeting. They are probably broken on the very first line of your ads, that is the headline. So in this video, we are gonna spend the next few minutes going what makes a good headline that turns cold traffic into leads, into clicks, and what makes a bad headline and how to avoid some mistakes. Okay, so let's go here and see how to do it, right? So if you don't know me, I am Gui Costa. I run Venture and Compass, a growth marketing agents for SaaS, and I have been helping them to acquire amazing results and lower their CAC through paid acquisition. Okay, so here is something before I go through that. Is like the ICP based vision. So before you make every marketing campaigns, every headline, you have to have this vision, that is the ICP based vision and not the product centric vision, right? So here you don't want to spend all your headline talking about your product. You want to talk for your client, something that they really care about, something that will solve their pain or give them a desired outcome, right? So it's how we say that in your headline has to be a desired outcome and a metric, right? So what is this outcome and metric? It's the win they crave. So here they want something, right? They want something. They want to solve some pain, or they want to acquire something with their company or with their lives, right? So they want something. So in this part of your headline, you have to put the win that they want. Okay. Second here is the time frame or friction buster. So how fast they are gonna get it and how easy they're gonna get it. Okay. They want this outcome. They want to acquire this, but they don't want to spend years to acquire this, and they don't want to spend a lot of work or energy doing that, right? So it's how fast it is and how easy it is. It has to be in your headline. It would be good to help you with your conversions. And the third point here is the power word and the offer. It's important here to create an irresistible offer to drive them to actually make that action. So to move this trigger, so like the offer is really important here as well, that you can add in your headline. Okay, here I have some ads or like slogans, headlines of like real established SaaS out there. I have to be honest with you, I don't like this, right? They are one of the best ones in the market, but they have established brands out there, right? So these headlines that I'm gonna show you right now, they are for people that already know about these brands, right? So they are headlines more for brand awareness than to move the trigger. But also these headlines that they have that shows about their brand also explains a lot, and they follow the same criteria, right? So I have these as examples here, and also I can say how we could improve this to actually performance and not branding. So like, let's say here, Slack is where work happens. Okay, if you know Slack, they are a platform for communication. So the outcome that the ICP want is smoother communication, right? And the friction buster is all-in-one hub. So instead of you using Gmail and like WhatsApp, Telegram, like you have all, or Zoom, even Zoom, right? You have everything here on Slack, and all your company's communication is here into Slack. So here, this headline is explaining exactly that, right? For money.com, exactly the same, right? Manage everything in one workspace. Outcome, total control. They manage everything in one workspace, one place, the friction buster. For SEMrush, and again, like it's why for warm leads, it's working. But if you have only cold traffic, it's not something that will move the trigger for the headline. Actually, here you could use as a social proof, or like something that's a sub headline, or like when you make the ads, it's not something that you want to put in the front of your ad, but like before they click in the button, they see that it would be performed really well. Get your free 7-day SEMrush trial. Outcome, they will have the full toolkit access for SEMrush, and the power word is trial or free. So like they really want this because they will have everything for free, so it's frictionless to them to start using your software, right? And the fourth one is ClickUp, that I really like what they do with their brand. That is one app to replace them all. So basically, the outcome is tool consolidation. Like they don't want to spend a lot of time with a lot of tools. Like they only want one tool, right? And the friction buster is the single app. You can do everything in one app, right? So let's say you have a brand that is a competitor for one of these brands. Like let's say you have a competitor for ClickUp, right? So how you can improve the headline that ClickUp is using for brand awareness, and you want to actually build it for performance and boost your clicks and boost your conversions, right? So one app to replace them all. So here what you want is outcome, like what they want. They want to use one tool, but they want productivity, right? They want productivity for the team. So the metric that you can use to see about this productivity. So like let's say you have a metric, like there are a lot of research out there, like when you change tools you are losing 30% of your productivity, right? So like what you actually can do here is like you say save 30% of your productivity in like let's say your onboard is 7 days, right? In 7 days with your SaaS. Okay, so here you put the two things here, right? The outcome, save 30% of your productivity in 7 days. That is the time frame, right? And here you put your brand. It's your headline. It's powerful because you put the outcome, you put the time frame. That is also a friction buster, right? Because like it's all in one place, right? That you can also put that in your landing page as well. Here you want a strong hook to grab their attention and send them to your funnel, right? So here is when you're building this headline, what you have to think, like again, it's important to think about your ICP, right? So how you can build this for your ICP? Have your ICP in mind, the persona, the name of this person, and what you have to think about before building any headline. Inventory measurable wins your product delivers. So speedy, savings, uplift. So here I say about speed, right, in 7 days, and also the savings, like they will save 30% of the productives, but the uplift, like you can give more money to a company, like productivity give more money to a company, right? So here I'm saying about productivity, but your SaaS probably have a other outcome, right, in mind. Pick the fastest believable time frame or strongest no friction qualifier, right? So here I said like, okay, in 7 days, because my onboarding is in 7 days, like they will take 7 days actually to onboard and like add everyone in the app and like actually know how to use the platform. So if the onboard takes 7 days, like in 7 days is the lowest time frame I can promise in my headline, right? Attach a power word that signals delivery. So trial, demo, blueprint, playbook. And here are some pro tips you can use for yourself in these headlines. Specific numbers beat round one. So here, if you use a specific number, it's better than use choose one, right? Because you know, like people will see, okay, like this brand actually did the research and like they know about what they are doing, right? They're not just putting a random number, like just me put here like 30%. Like I just put a random number because I don't know about that. But if you know about that, you should put like definitely a specific number, right? Some status hooks is also good, like trusted by 150k founders to add social proof. So if you can put social proof in your headlines before your button is also good. And negation is really powerful, right? Stopping losing trials to churn. Fix it in 14 days. Because like actually you are driving to their pain, like because they don't want to actually see this, and like when they see this with their pain, like it's really powerful because psychologically speaking, like they don't want to do that. Like they are actually like they have they don't like this, like inside of them they don't like this, but they want to change it, but they don't know how, and your size is the solution. So the negation is really powerful. So now the don'ts, what you shouldn't do when you're building a headline or any marketing campaign, right? Any copy, right? So first thing, feature dump headlines. So here, like, please don't do that. And as I said, like, don't be product centered. Like your ICP, the person that will gonna buy from you, they don't really care about the features you have. Like they don't really care. Like if I'm speaking about Slack, like what they really care is one place where I can communicate and actually easy the communication of my company, right? They don't care if the Slack has Zooms, if they are like they have an AI, like they don't really care about that. They don't really care about if ClickUp have docs to use. They don't really care if SEMrush have like a powerful back-end AI thing, you know what I mean? Like so, like here as example, like first AI pipeline generator, like they don't really care about the features about your pipeline, right? Your pipeline SaaS. What they really care is like how your SaaS can actually give me more money, in this case, right? Or save my time, or like saving my money. Okay, it all depends of your promise of your SaaS. No time frame or qualifier. So here basically like it's important you put a time frame when they are going to acquire this promise you just made to them, and some qualifier as well, something that you put in your headline to qualify your lead, something that, because when you don't qualify your lead, it will come like people that are not your ICP and they are not going to buy anyways, and like the platform that you are advertising, Meta, LinkedIn, anyways, like they will continue advertising to this type of people that are not buying. They are the wrong ones. So it's important you put a qualifier here in your headline as well. To Meta, LinkedIn knows exactly who they should continue advertising to, right? And please don't do that, copy paste competitorless lines. So if you are a competitor of ClickUp, don't do that. One app to replace them all. Like they actually have more money than you and they will outcompete you with their money, but you can be more smart than them, and actually build a strong funnel with a front end offer, lead magnets, and actually take their addressable market. You can steal their clients with more smart copy, right? So here's a 10-minute homework to you. What I want you to do here is like, if you are running ads or not, what you should do here is like write 10 headline variations with this framework I just showed you. So like here you have all the things you should do, like how you're gonna do that. So the first step, the second step, and the third step. Use this video, like, and also the pro tips here, and also the 3 things you should address in your headlines. So write 10 headlines here, and you pick the 3 best ones, right? Just pick the 3 best ones that you like most, and pin this into Meta, LinkedIn, and X. and let the algorithm crow a winner. So actually you put 3 out there to see which one works better on Meta, LinkedIn, and X for your ICP, right? And keep the champion, kill the rest, and repeat it weekly. So basically, like when you're doing it on your ads, like you actually have to test it a lot before finding the winners and actually improving this, right? The good thing here is like you have data, and you have data from the ads that you're running, and like it's really powerful because you actually know what's going on. But this is just for headlines. So if you need help with creating these headlines and also need help with creating your funnels as well, please send me a message or book a call here in the link in the description. I actually have a video where I show my whole method for you. So it's a 15-minute video, it's not too long. It's here in the link in the description. Watch the video, book a call with me, and let's help your SaaS to scale pretty fast in the next days, okay? See you, and thank you for watching this video.